1%. That's it. You versus them. Why not you? Seriously? What's standing between you and this? It's not your circumstances, because he knows a lot about circumstances. It's not even your IQ or some work ethic. It's the software running in your head, your mindset. And we're installing an upgrade today. They'll show you Steve Jobs at Harvard. They'll play the clip of him saying, "Stay hungry, stay foolish." It's great motivation porn, but they won't show you what he did next. He heard that advice and took it so literally, he bet his entire company, the one he just saved, on a product that didn't exist. A phone, a music player, an internet communicator, all in one. They called him insane. He didn't care. After reverse engineering the lives of 5 modern-day emperors, Musk, Jobs, Zuck, Gates, and the beast from the East, Jack Ma, we found the exact same 8 lines of code in all of their operating systems. This isn't some motivational BS. This is a manual. Mindset number 1. Burn the boats. All in is for poker. Burning the boats is for war. It means you delete Plan B from your brain. Elon Musk took every single dollar from the PayPal sale and lit it on fire for SpaceX and Tesla. He slept on a factory floor. Jack Ma, rejected from KFC, failed school twice. He had nothing to lose, so he built Alibaba. For them, their mission isn't a job, it's their identity. The moment you entertain a way out, you've already lost. Mindset number 2. You are the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with. That's cute. For the 1%, it's different. They don't have friends, they have a board of directors. Steve Jobs had Joni Ive. Zuckerberg, a college kid, went and hired Sheryl Sandberg from Google. You're sitting in your bedroom dreaming, wondering why you're not getting ahead. Who's on your board? Your broke friends who tell you to just chill? Your parents who want you to get a safe job? Fire them. You need to recruit a board of killers who challenge every single thing you do. Mindset number 3. Forget your feelings. You think Elon Musk wakes up every morning feeling inspired to change the world? You think Mark Zuckerberg felt like coding instead of going to parties? You're waiting for a feeling? That's a disease of the 99%. The 1% run on process. They built systems so they don't have to think. Motivation is a myth sold to you to make you feel better about being lazy. Discipline is what creates billionaires. Show up even when it sucks, especially when it sucks. Mindset number 4. Your villain arc is inevitable. Embrace it. They were called crazy, arrogant sociopaths. Steve Jobs got fired from his own company. People laughed at Musk for wanting to land rockets. If you're building something truly new, the 99% will not understand you. Their opinion is the tax you pay on success. If everyone thinks you're amazing, you're doing something wrong. If you're not being called delusional, your vision is too small. Mindset number 5. Failure is a debugging report. You see an explosion. I see data. The 1% see a list of bugs to fix. Rocket blew up? Great. We learned 100 things that don't work. Got fired? Amazing. Now you're free. They don't attach their ego to the failure. They detach, analyze, and iterate. Every single no, every bankruptcy is just another line of code in the program that leads to a yes. Mindset number 6. Delusional self-belief. Before the evidence exists, you have to believe the delusion. Zuck believed a college website could connect the world. A fantasy. Musk believed he could take on Boeing and Lockheed. Insanity. But their belief was so potent, it distorted reality around them. It attracted investors and talent. Your belief isn't the result of success. It's the main prerequisite. Mindset number 7. Architect the vision, lay the bricks. Dreamers dream, builders build. The 1% are both. They have the insane 50,000-foot vision, and they are obsessed with the granular 5-inch details. Zuckerberg wasn't just a visionary, he was a coder. Musk didn't just say, build a rocket. He learned the physics. A vision without execution is a hallucination. You have single day. Mindset number 8. Become a knowledge vortex. They don't just learn, they consume knowledge obsessively, ravenously, across every discipline. Gates goes on Think Weeks where he just reads. Musk learned rocket science from textbooks. The biggest ideas happen at the intersections. Biology inspires computer code, physics inspires car design. Stop consuming trash. Start sucking up every piece of information you can. Your next billion-dollar idea is hidden in a book you're not reading. Let's run the diagnostic. Is your OS running this code? 1. Burn the boats. 2. A personal board of directors. 3. Forget your feelings. 4. Embrace the villain arc. 5. Failure is a debugging report. 6. Delusional self-belief. 7. Blueprint and bricks. 8. The knowledge vortex. This is the stack. This is the difference. So here's the shift. This video is worthless if you just watch it and feel motivated for 5 minutes. The 99% do that. The 1% takes action. Right now. Which one of these is your biggest weakness? Is it that you're scared to burn the boats? Is your board of directors holding you back? Write it down. Comment right now with number 1% mindset and the one thing you're changing today. Let's see who's really in here. The algorithm is going to show this to 1 million people. 900,000 will watch it and do nothing. 99,000 will like it and forget it. But the 1%, the 10,000 who comment and share this, they will be the ones who actually get it. They'll be the ones building the next world-changing company. Which group are you in?